Welcome to Navy Fleet and Family Readiness. Our services perfectly fit the active duty service member's lifestyle.
We even have childcare centers that are open 24/7.
We take care of sailors and their family members,
so that they don't have to stress about anything, like moving, finances, finding a place to live, or becoming a new parent. Plus, we offer fun ways for them to spend their free time.
In our Family Readiness Program, we feature counseling, career workshops, deployment assistance, emergency response teams, and the Navy Gold Star program.
Our Fleet Readiness programs offer tons of fun, from sports and recreation to entertainment, food, and lodging. It's all here.
Like to travel? Vacation spots are available all over the world.
The Navy Housing Program helps sailors find the right place to live. We provide contemporary housing options for both single sailors and those with families. Finally, the Navy Wounded Warrior Safe Harbor Program helps those service members who were injured in combat or who have become seriously ill.
Navy Wounded Warrior helps with non-medical care, legal and financial issues, social connections, and more.
As you can see, Fleet and Family Readiness programs have a lot to offer.